Committee, it is my honor to welcome all of you to the 12th Regional Congress and Skills Competition, an annual gathering which brings together tourism and hospitality students, educators, and partners who share the same commitment to learning, skills development, and service. Hosting this Congress is both a privilege and a responsibility for JRMSU. As the only state university in Zamboanga del Norte, we remain committed to our vision of becoming a premier institution of higher learning and to our mission of providing quality and relevant education through instruction, research, extension, and strong engagement. I am so happy when I entered the Cultural Center, I saw the different posters. That's very good practice because only through research that you can improve your industry or your field. Events like this reflect our goal of helping shape graduates who are competent, responsible, and ready to contribute to the growth of our communities. Speaking about graduates, now we are looking into revisiting our curriculum, because I have met some personality in the community telling us, I'm sorry to say this, telling us that our offering is not responsive to the needs of the industry. Example, just knowing our own tourism spots in our locality. A tourism graduate or a tourism student could not even identify and share. So we should look at this. Simple tourism spots in our locality. A student of tourism and hospitality management could not even share to our tourists. So, saan po tayo nagkukulang sa ating curriculum or our? So, we should take note of that. We are also guided by the values of Dr. Jose Rizal, whose name we proudly carry. His dedication to education, discipline, and service to the nation continues to inspire our work as an institution. In the same way, this Congress encourages each of you to strive for excellence, to understand the culture you represent, and to appreciate the importance of hospitality and tourism in building relationships and promoting local identity. So paano tayo mag-promote ng local identity kung tayo mismo hindi natin alam na meron pala tayong mga beautiful spots and whatever things in our history na nag-exist sa lugar natin? To the Council of Tourism and Hospitality Educators in the Zamboanga Peninsula, thank you for trusting JRMSU to host this year's Congress. We are grateful for the partnership and for the opportunity to help advance tourism and hospitality education in the region. To our students, may this Congress motivate you to learn more, work harder, and discover your strengths. Hindi lang tayo mag-work harder kung meron kayong field trips kasi hihingi kayo ng pera sa mama nyo at papa, di ba? Pagkatapos ng field trips, wala na ang interest, Lalo na yung mga nanggaling ng Zamboanga at ibang areas, malayong lugar. You are so excited kasi field trip, malayong lugar, So, continue to ignite your interest even after this Congress. Whether you are competing, participating, or observing, may this experience help you grow both in skill and character. I would like to emphasize at this point, character. Because even how much talented or skillful you are, if you do not have a good character, you are nothing. Because character is very, very important in your industry. Kasi meron tayong ugaling Pilipino, lalo na kasi kayo yung frontliners ng tourism and hospitality management. So, meron tayong ugaling Pilipino na kung ang tao, pag ang customer or client ay walang make-up, kung babae, or hindi nakatoksido, hindi natin papansinin. Kasi it's a wrong ugali ng Pilipino. We are man-pleasers, especially kung alam natin na politiko ito, mayor ito, president ito. Pero kung ordinaryo na tao, hindi natin alam na milyonaryo pala yun. Hindi natin i-accommodate properly. So yung ugali na yan, we need to get rid of that. Diba? So importante talaga ang character. What is the very important character that you possess? Should be respect and integrity. Bakit integrity? Kasi di ba, some of you may land into chambermaids kung doon kayo pupunta sa US or sa mga first world countries or yung maglilinis ng, I'm sorry, no, but it could be part of your job, especially kung bago lang kayong graduate. Doon kayo papasok sa housekeeping, sa mga rooms. O, di ba? Dapat may integrity. So also to our teachers, no, coaches, and organizers, thank you for your guidance, hard work, and constant support for our students. Your role is essential in shaping future professionals who value good service and genuine care of people. Dapat tayo careful. We should have moral ascendancy sa mga estudyante natin. Kasi we are the immediate model to our students. As we open this year's Congress, I hope the coming days will encourage collaboration, healthy competition, and meaningful learning. Sa hindi magwagi sa competition, what matters is your participation. That chance, the opportunity that you are able to compete, no? The learnings that you will get during the competition. May this event remind us that the future of tourism and hospitality lies in the hands of young people who serve with passion, respect, and integrity. Welcome to JRMSU, and may you all have a productive and memorable Congress. Thank you very much.